Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about Shortmake. Transform your idea into viral videos with AI. Okay, so as it states here in this sentence, it's a AI short video generator. Okay, viral videos with AI. Okay, it's about 10,000 people a month are using this app or visiting this website. So it's not bad, there is some people are using it. They already have about 10,000 plus creators with average ratings of 4.9 out of the 5 stars, which is quite impressive. Okay, here you go. Those type of short videos you can create with this tool. I'm pretty sure every one of you guys already saw those videos. Some of you might know how to do it using the CapCut, Filmora, do some editing, create some images inside Leonardo or Midjourney. Okay, put everything together. So for you guys, for those of you guys who know how to do it, fair play to you. It's a nice skill to have. However, you have to say that it's a time consuming, isn't it? So it takes a bit of time, even if you know how to do it right. Okay. Now this tool is doing everything on autopilot. Okay, so it's basically it's saving you a time for somebody who already using it, those type of tools and know how to do it, or know how to do it. Or the second thing is for somebody who does not know how to do those type of videos, using the editing tools. Okay, this tool will basically create those videos for you. Okay, so AI content creation hub can be used for TikTok. Okay, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Snapchat. Okay, so all those 4 platforms you can cover using this tool. Okay, so you can transform your ideas into the script. So basically, you just put in the script here. The second stage would be add realistic voiceover. There you go, everything's there. Generate high image quality. Fourth, customize your subtitle look, and start creating today. Okay, there you go. So 4 steps, and you're ready to post it, right? So now let's go quickly to the pricing. I always like to start with the monthly bill. Okay, so if you want to start on the starter plan, it's $19.99. Okay, uh, and you have 30 credits for free and 1,000 credits a month. Okay, so it's approximately 10 videos which you can achieve with the starter plan, which equals to about $2 per video. Okay, so you have text to video, TikTok format 9 by 15. I thought it's 9 by 16, but anyway, plus 1,000 stock images, normal voiceover, 4 realistic voiceover, remove watermark, and so on and so forth. For the creator plan, $23.99 as a 2,000 credits. Okay, so 20 videos. So you'll be paying about $4 more, and $4 more you'll be paying, and you get access to additional 10 videos. So you'll be, it's basically, it looks like it's on sale right now. Okay, so if you go with a creator plan, so instead of paying if you want to double here, instead of paying $29.99, you'll be paying $23.99, and you got this additional 20 videos. Okay, for the pro plans, which starts with $49.99, you get 5,000 credits, and you can go all the way to 10,000, 15, and 20, and unlimited points. Okay, for $89.99, you have everything unlimited. All right, that's for the heavy users. But let's go quickly and see what can be done with this tool. All right, so there we go. First of all, you have to enter your idea. Okay, please write a general description of your video idea here. The more specific you are, the more general descriptions will be tailored to your needs. Okay, so I would say, okay, we want to create a video about a history of ancient Rome, right? So now we can go next. Okay, video style selection. So you have 2 exciting options: either choose from a selection of awesome predefined styles, or take the reins by customizing your video style. To customize, all you need to do is to provide the URL of a TikTok video that you love, or our AI will create a script inspired by that style. Okay, so there you go. You can go ahead and you can do some customization, right? So next step will be language. Select the language of your video. Okay, and there are fewer languages available. And next step will be generate script. Okay, after the detailing your idea and choosing language, click here to generate your script, and select the background music, select voiceover, and generate video. There you go. Those steps are here, video rendering, and everything will be ready. And then you can actually go and post it. Right. Okay. So now we'll be creating a video about the history of ancient Rome. What we want to do, we're going to advance script features, and we can do default, we can store time, motivation, quick tips, daily life hacks. There you go. I think we'll stay with the default, and also custom style. I don't know if you have any TikTok in your mind, for example, video, you can paste it here, as they said, and they will actually not replicate, but they will do the same style as the video you like, already. So another one, okay, generate script. Here you have video scripts. Okay, I think auto. Let's leave it as an auto. Select background music. I don't know anything. We can listen to some of those music. Okay. There you go, some of those are available for us. Okay, I don't know, let me see. This might sound absolutely fine. Voiceover, you can do some of those voiceovers are available for us like that. And for some of them you just have to go and pay before you can start using it. Okay, so let's leave it with this one. With Anne, add your own voice. You can also record your own voice if you were to do it. Okay, now image style, generate illustrations 50. Okay, so those will be costing you 50 points. All right, 50 credits. Okay, generate videos and illustrations 90. All right, so for this we'll be doing the illustrations and video. All right, so let's go and click on it. Okay, so first click on the generate. All right, so let's go and click on generate script. Right, okay, so now let's go and first generate script. Okay, so 3 steps. First you have to go and generate script. So let's go and generate script first. There you go, the script has been generated for us. Okay, and I believe it's in French. All right, then, no problem at all. Okay, for somebody who's watching us from France, it will be they will know what it says here. I'm pretty sure it's related to the ancient Rome history. Now the second one will be generate illustrations. Okay, test. Okay, make sure. Oh, should I make? Okay, right. No worries at all. So it's been generated now for us. Okay, so this script generation costs us 7 credits. Okay, now the generation illustration is costing us 50 credits, and then once this is done, we will be generating video and illustration, and I hope those credits were added up this way that it's gonna still last some for us to do something. Okay, so I'm hoping for that. Now, okay, is that ready yet? No, it's not yet. I'll put this video on hold and I'll come back once those illustrations are ready. Okay guys, so I'm still waiting for those images to be generated. However, a few minutes after, there still hasn't been. Only one image I can see has been generated. Okay, you can go and download it. But the funny thing is that it takes so much time to do it. Okay, even if I click on it here, generate illustration, it says app, shortmake.com, says test. I really don't know what's going on here then. Plus, you cannot generate any video without those illustrations being firstly generated. Okay, so I think it's a bit of a disappointing here. I believe that the guys, because it's a version 2, so they already know what they're doing, and they try to improve this version, from the version 1. However, it's still a bit either I'm missing something or there's a bug here, because in my previous videos, when I was even testing other tools, I didn't have to wait for so long to actually for those images to be generated. So I hope that it's only a matter of me missing some bits and pieces here, and the tool can be generated. Those videos can be generated, no problem. But anyway, I will be leaving the link to this video, guys. You can go and check it yourselves. You'll be having 100 tokens available for you to test it, and I hope that's gonna work better for yourself than it's working for me. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments, please leave below, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated.